like the leaves, the color of the leaves. Autumn. Wow. Can I just go up this bougainvillea leaves? Ang ganda. Wow. So pretty. I really love bougainvillea plants. See? In the Philippines, ubos na din kayo. See? But here, they're being taken care of properly. Baby. Feeling so good. You see? Wow, I want to play there. Catching the leaves falling down. Ah, why did they close it? That one.
Which one?
Going up. Playground. We close it.
That's the children's playground.
Children's playground is there. Oh, this is the trail going up. Can you go up?
Sorry for you.
My God. Let's sit down there.
Check the map once again where it goes to.
No, I don't even know how to see maps. Location is not my thing. This is the map. So good. The trees are so good. What's up there? Huh? What is... Oh, maybe tennis court, basketball court?
Woods are on the other side.
This is just only a leisure. And climbing these stairs. Wow. Can I have a photo there? Wow, it's going up, baby. This trail will go up, up, up. And my lovey-dovey cannot walk it up, 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 up. Wait. I know. I'll just take a photo there. There's so many kids upstairs. Well, where this road leads to?
Which one?
This one. I think it's just a leisure. This leads to the playground. And that's the end of Tsing Park. Right? So let's go back to where we started. Oh, look at those big trees. Hong Kong, so many trees like this, they are being preserved. the beauty of Hong Kong. See, so many leisure parks everywhere. Can we go down there?
Yeah.
Here.
This one we can go up this one.
What is upstairs? Oh, maybe the court.
I think the ports are on the other side.
Oh, that is a maple leaf. Right? Yeah.
Look at the last one. And then this one.
Oh, this one is the conservation corner. This is a maple leaf. Wow. Wow. Oh, where's the airplane? I cannot see. Oh. Yeah, Tsing is next to the airport, so the airplane is low. You can see it. So we go up here. Count the step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Hiningal ako doon. Where? Atta. Some more steps. Oh, this is the waterfalls down a while ago. So, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh, there's a maple leaf there. Downstairs is the children's park. Let me just go here and take a look. Wow, it's not a maple leaf. And there's the children's park. Yeah, this is it. Someone's climbing up from there. Whew. What's here? Oh, there's a tent to there. Wow, this is quite wide to put your tent. That's another airplane. Oh. There. Oh. We're near the airport, that's why. Why? Oh, there's a court here. True. Mayfu also, not so many people. No, it's not crowded. When you go to Central and Causeway Bay, many people are there. Whoa. Yeah, going down. That's the leisure walk. And this is the end of Tsing Part 2. Where's the another one? Oh, it stopped there. This is small one. Now they're not flying.
They don't fly, they hardly fly.
Hey, where's that? That is small one. Oh! Oh, it's not there. It's here. It's here. Where? Oh, that's... Wow, you're so cute, man. But cannot see properly. Looks like... This one's a peregrine. A while ago, I thought they are just a statue. Ah! Fly. Oh.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things